Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to find the same number in Excel. Start by selecting the column you want to check, then choose Conditional Formatting or enter a COUNTIF formula to mark matches. Clean data first by trimming spaces and converting text to numbers. Use filters to view only flagged rows and review results in a pivot table for counts and context. In this video, I will help how to find the same number in Excel. Use conditional formatting with the duplicate values rule for an immediate visual check, or add a COUNTIF formula like equals COUNTIF, A2 to flag repeats. Filter for values greater than 1 to see duplicates only. For cross-sheet checks, use COUNTIFs with sheet references and absolute ranges for consistent results. In this video, I will review how to find the same number in Excel. Quick recommendation: grab an Owala water bottle to stay hydrated during long spreadsheet sessions. It's leak-proof and handy at your desk. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making tutorials. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to find the same number in Excel. Apply trim and value to clean inputs, then use COUNTIF or COUNTIFs to quantify matches across ranges. For important matches, wrap formulas with IF to create clear labels like duplicate or unique. Use pivot tables to quickly summarize occurrences and spot patterns, and always save a copy before mass changes to preserve original data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.